I'm so hungry.
I am too. Guys, we are back from breakfast. It was so good. Now it's actually wedding day, so I'm about to get ready. Actually gonna do a separate video of that, when me getting ready to go to a wedding, so you guys won't see me doing that in this vlog, but you'll see it in a separate video. Probably you'll see that before you even see this vlog, but we'll see how that goes. So I'm gonna do that and come back when we are on our way. So see you then. Good morning, guys. We have slept in most of the morning, have we?
No, well, I got up, I went to the gym.
I needed to sleep, but he crashed as soon as we got in last night from the wedding.
I didn't even take a shower, guys. Like, it was that bad. Like,
yeah, I just took my dear time, took a shower, chill out, and then fell asleep. But it was a good evening. My table was really good. Like, we had
I had a great time. So
his friends were sitting by the table. It was like VIP. I had such a good time with them.
Absolutely. So I don't know, yesterday was hectic. The weather was really bad. We had to change the venue. Well, the couple had to change the venue, so we basically like got a text message, hey, this is the new venue, this is the new meetup time. And by the time I got there, all the groomsmen were dressed already, so I basically had to dress in like a minute and a half basically. Shima had to go and help the bride with her hair. I got there afterwards, and yeah, we just had a good time. So Ron and I, that's the groom, we grew up together, went to the same church. high school, went to the same university. And I guess it's a whole bunch of us, but we just have like a really tight-knit relationship, even though all of us live in different islands and different places. But it was just good that I could come back and especially bring my wife to Trinidad, help her to see some of the places that I used to go when I was younger, some of the things I used to do. We're gonna have some amazing roti this afternoon for lunch, and we're just gonna do some sightseeing today, man. It's gonna be lit.
Yeah.
So
well, right now we're going to one of the
Port
popular.
of Spain.
Yeah.
It's a place called the Promenade. That they have a lot of events there. And it's just like a real hip space. You know what I mean? It's a lot of hustle and bustle. So she'll get to see, you know, what Port of Spain, what downtown Port of Spain is like. And then we're gonna come back and she's gonna have her girl time.
Yeah, I'm gonna have a facial because I need it. But I'm not looking forward to the humidity outside. Like, it's a lot different from St. Kitts and the Virgin Islands. We have like a lot of sea breeze, but here it's just like a stuffy like heat. Like, it's not cool. But
especially because it's been raining too. So.
And yeah, it rained like for the past 2 days basically. But yeah, enough of our rambling. We are going to head out and get stuff done. Okay. Oh.
Right now we passing the central bank. This is where they regulate all the things around Trinidad and so forth when it comes to the economy, currency and real things like that. And also we walking on the promenade, right? This is called the Promenade. This is a real popular place in downtown Port of Spain. You know, they always having events here. Real things just be popping off here now. Right? We're on the promenade.
That's the word on the street.
When we walk in like downtown Port of Spain, you realize that it's not very touristy. They don't have like big names and franchises that we're accustomed to seeing, because like the economy is not like driven on tourism. Their economy is based on oil. They produce and refine their own oil, and that's what drives the economy. So, you know, when you come here, you get in a authentic Caribbean experience. It's not watered down by like American influence. Right. So it's just very authentic. You look across the street, you're seeing vendors pushing carts, and you still have street vendors. You still have small shops that sell like boutiques type stuff. You know what I mean? You still have like real island things. You could walk on the corner and get coconut water, you know what I mean? It's rich.
Hello, morning. I have an 11:15 appointment.
Oh, great, cool. Make yourself comfortable. Oh, lovely. Thank you.
This is giving me the vibe the spot I used to work at. got back from our little tour, which was really good, but I just got my facial and I am so relaxed. I feel so like I'm floating. I did a rejuvenating exfoliating facial because I do have a lot of hyperpigmentation, and just like my face was like congested, and so I just really needed that. And yeah, so really good, guys. Get your facials done.
Food Palace.
Cheyenne's Food Palace. It was suggested by one of Leon's friends, and we are going to take it again because I'm hungry. This is called Bus Up Shut. It's just like fried flour, and this is all the goodness: chana, mango, curry chicken, and Leon has the beef and everything else
mango,
that I have.
China potato, the chicken,
and some good old soft drink. We're gonna try and see if we can find some local drinks later, but yeah, it's good. Babe, before you go, let the people see you. We finally made it to the pool. So in need of it.
Yep.
Now baby's gonna have some him time.
Yeah, gonna relax and watch the sunset.
Watch the sunset by himself. You don't want me to come with you?
You can come, babe.
I'll catch him later. I'm gonna have some me time too. So I'm gonna chill out up here and he's gonna chill out down there. Text me when the sun's setting.
I don't understand you at all, you know?